Ever wonder how those sleek, high-quality business cards are made? Let's take you behind the scenes, step by step, into the precision-packed world of professional card printing. It all starts here. Large sheets of paper arrive at the workshop. They head straight to the guillotine cutter. Each sheet is trimmed to the exact format needed for the press, perfectly aligned and ready for action. Now, the real deal begins. Setting up the legendary Heidelberg press. Printing plates are mounted, alignment is fine-tuned, and every register mark is calibrated to perfection. Next comes the inking process. Roller balance, ink flow, pressure settings, all dialed in for razor-sharp results. Time to feed the beast. Sheets are loaded into the automatic feeder. The machine handles each sheet one by one, using airflow control and anti-jam sensors to keep things smooth and steady. Precision in motion. Let's add some flair. Printed sheets roll into the laminating machine where a fine protective film, glossy or matte, is bonded under heat and pressure. Result? A premium finish that's scratch-resistant, water-repellent, and made to last. Now, we cut them loose. Each printed sheet, called an amalgam, goes through a digital die cutter. Guided by optical sensors, every card is sliced with exact precision. No shifts, no smudges, just clean, pro-level cuts. It's all about the details. Each card passes through a point-corner rounder that gives it that smooth, elegant finish. Not only does it look better, it lasts longer too. Final stop, the eagle-eyed quality check. We inspect alignment, print clarity, lamination, and die cuts. Only the flawless ones make it through. If it's not perfect, it doesn't leave the shop. And there you have it. A business card crafted with precision, durability, and a touch of industrial magic, ready to make a statement from the very first handshake.